In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this SAT math question using this TI-84 plus scientific calculator. Is now fast. So the question says, what is 10% of 470? Alright, so to easily punch this kind of question on a calculator, all you simply have to do is, this is the TI-84 plus calculator, this is the silver edition we'll be using to experiment. So the calculator is on. What you are going to do will be to impute the values of the calculator, but I recommend that you should clear before you start. It's very important to reset the calculator. So to clear this calculator, just press second, then this plus button, you will see memory on top of it. Then when you come here, you press 7 for reset, then press 1 for all RAM. You want to reset all RAM, that's what you want, okay? Then press 2 to reset all RAM. So RAM cleared, we are now good to go. So 10% of 470 simply means 10 over 100 times 470. So to impute in a calculator here, all you need to do is to press this math button, then navigate to numbers, then you scroll up, then when you come here, you go for this option D, okay? Then press enter. So we have 10 over 100, okay? Then come to this place to impute the multiplication symbol, this multiplication sign, then this means multiplication times 470, and that will be all. Alright, press enter. Enter signifies equal to on this calculator. So once you press enter, the answer is 47. So the right answer to this question is option B. Okay, so this is basically how you can deal with percentage problems like this for your SAT math using this calculator. Is now fast. So let's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment to this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question as regarding solving problems involving percentage with the calculator, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also, ensure part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. I'll be getting people information on how to solve more of questions like this for your SAT and other college entrance exams you'll be writing. Or if having done this, click on the screen above, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.